My name is Aditya Koladkar. I'm a fifth year student in the physics department here at IISER. I love writing and watching stand-up comedy. I love cooking. I love eating. And I like washing clothes. So we are doing a density matrix renormalization group study of the interface of two topological phases of fractional quantum Hall systems using the entanglement spectrum as a characterizing quantity, or in more technical terms, we are taking a cassata ice cream, studying the interface of the vanilla and the strawberry and hoping to learn something about the nuts on the top. So what I'm working on is called the fractional quantum Hall effect. In high school, we learn about the classical Hall effect, where you take a bit of material, pass a current through it in this direction, apply a magnetic field in a perpendicular direction, and then you notice that there's a voltage across these two ends, the so-called transverse ends. In the fractional quantum Hall effect, what happens is if you pass a very high magnetic field through a plate of stuff, it turns out that the resistance you measure in the transverse direction takes very precise quantized values, which are fractional multiples of a very specific number. That's where the name comes from, right? And the fractional quantum Hall effect shows a bunch of very interesting properties. For example, these materials have particles, these excitations, which behave like particles with a charge which is a fractional multiple of E, the single electronic charge. So it turns out that materials showing the fractional quantum Hall effect come in a bunch of different flavors. Think of them as funky states of matter. Now, if you take iso water, you only need to throw a little bit of ice or a little bit of water under the microscope to figure out whether it's ice or water. Whereas with these funky states of matter, this kind of local observation, this kind of local microscopic information won't tell you what phase they're in. You'll really have to look at the whole system and study it as a whole to figure out what phase that system is in. And what I want to do in my project is to stick two different phases of material together and study what happens at the interface. So now you may ask, why should I care about the fractional quantum Hall effect? It turns out that the excitations that I mentioned earlier can be dragged around each other, braided in a certain sense, in order to store quantum information in a way that's more robust than many other forms of quantum information storage. And this principle of information storage can be used to build a quantum computer that in turn is more robust than many of the other technologies that are currently in use. So when I was in middle school, I had a cousin in Naisa Bhubaneswar, and she inspired me to get into science and perhaps take it up as a career. She also got me interested in talking about science, about discussing science with people, and also reading popular science. And I ended up reading a bunch of it, and that was what got me interested in theoretical physics. And these two things essentially helped me decide that I wanted to go to IISER. So when I came to IISER, I realized that physics was far richer than I'd ever imagined it to be. And I found out that there were so many new disciplines and new topics that I hadn't even heard of, and it was quite exhilarating. What is fun is not only the fact that you can study what you've heard about in all its detail, in all its glory, but also that you can do your own research. And that is what interests me the most. I'm learning how to do my own research now, and that is what I want to carry on into my PhD.
Yeah, so tell me about this place.
Yeah, so this is the path to the lecture hall complex where we take our classes. As you can see, the path is lined on both sides with beautiful chapa trees, which are also very fragrant when the flowers are in bloom, as they are now. Many wonderful memories of running along this path trying to get to class. So yeah man, good times. This is the lecture hall complex, by the way.